Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic Lacquer, Danielle's Hallucination. I've started off with Baby Girl Lacquer, Glitter Be Gone. I'll also be using Sista Chic's Paris Nights. This is a one-coater black, it's amazing. And here is Danielle's Hallucination. It's so pretty. And this is just one of those polishes that just blings when you put it over black. So I'm going to go in with my black and just do one easy peasy coat of it. You know, I make a little bit of a mess, but nothing too bad. It's really easy to control. And I love a one coat black. There's only a couple of them that stand out in my mind, and this is one of them. You might want to go check out the Sista Chic Lacquer website if you're interested, because she is fixing to stop production, and whatever's not sold she's gonna just donate to a charity. So here we're gonna go in with our coat of Danielle's Hallucination. It's got an amazing formula also. It's just chocked full of purple and blue goodness. It's really pretty. Looks like Starry Night on your nails or something. I love it. Oh, got a little, making a mess here. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat so that I can get it to dry down. And we'll do some stamping on it today. I love it. I'm going to cap my free edge here. I don't really know why I do that because I don't wear them long. But here's a swatch photo of that on its own. I'll be using Chic Peak BM-XL473 today and Braves Diva Shutout, as well as my monocle stamper and the scraper that came with it from Maniology. And I'm going to use this little image at the bottom on 3 of my nails today. And get that excess off with a piece of tape real quick. And I'm going to line that up and put these up near the cuticle line on these nails. I didn't want to cover it all up. You guys know I have trouble not playing on all the nails. So doing an image like this, I'm still getting to play and stamp, but it's still letting that polish, that base color shine through and get some attention as well. But I liked this one. I thought it was pretty cute. I'm cleaning that plate with pure acetone, and so far I really haven't had to clean the stamper yet. We're doing pretty good today. Just cleaning it off with that little piece of tape in between. And ta-da! Alright. And now I'm going to use this bigger image. It's almost like a dream catcher with feathers hanging down. I really was drawn to it, so we're going to use that one today on the accent nails. There's my stamper. It's just so cool. Love that image. So there we go. Isn't that pretty? Love it, love it. Alrighty. I'm going to use the smudge-free top coat and seal these little designs in. On the ones that are up close to the cuticle, I'm just covering over the image. And on the full nail design, I'm going over all of it with that smudge-free. And then I'm going to top it all off with Sèche Vite. And we're going to seal this all in and call it to-done. To-did. Capping that free edge. But I hope you enjoyed this one. Oh, look, there's Woody. I thought he wasn't going to make it in the video today. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And that's it. So leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.